Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have this. This is an auto pet toy ball. We're gonna give this thing a try. It looks like it's like a remote control toy ball for pets. I got this because we have the dogs. Right now the dog just had babies, so yeah, not really in the mood to play, but hopefully soon. So we'll see here. So this is the remote control for it, I guess right here. We'll see what all these buttons do here shortly. And then we have the ball itself. Right there. We have the user manual. Here, I'll show you guys what it is here. So you guys, if you have one of these and you need help, you can zoom in on that. Seems pretty straightforward to me. Open ball charge, turn the power on. Let it go. Yep. Okay. So let's see. We'll open the ball up. So here we go. There it is. It's open. It looks like it can be charged through micro USB, which it comes with the cable for it, which is nice. So it's got the micro USB there. I'm going to try it without charging it for right now, but we'll just plug it in here. Okay, to turn the power on, we hold this button here, the power button, for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and see that it's flashing. I felt it move a little bit. And screw this thing back on. So that was number 3. Number 4 is put the cone in the ball. Oh, and there it is. Oh, and the remote works. So there we go. So as I push it, there we go. What is that flashing? Oh, I think I turned it off and then on again. I was pushing the power button, so let me turn it back on again. Okay, so now we're back on again. And so this is the forward rotation. Oh, this is the backward rotation. You can watch it on the lights. And then crazy and normal mode. So this is the button to go crazy mode. So normal mode. So crazy mode is the ball flashes quickly, and normal mode is the ball flashes slowly. So it's flashing slowly, so it's normal mode. And then now it's flashing quickly, so it's going to be crazy mode. And it's crazy. Let's see what happens. I don't want to put it on the glass. Let me try it on the carpet here and see what happens. Here on the floor. Let's see. It's really cool. Okay, I'm going to get you. I'll show you guys. Okay, so that is the ball down there. And then if I push the button, see, and it does a little wild dance. And then I can push it the other way. Oh. It goes the other way. That's the crazy mode. Super cool. That's awesome. Okay, well, there you go. Now you've seen it. So that's the crazy awesome ball. It is the auto pet toy ball. So I'm trying to see what company it's from. It's IFurffy. IFurffy. So that's the company. So this is really sweet. So I like it. So definitely thumbs up from me. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and the link for this is in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Thanks. Bye.